I'm Dr. Mayuri. I did the Basic Fertility Course in the month of August 25 at Milann. I'll give the course 5 out of 5 on rating as far as basic fertility is concerned. So I had come with the intention that whenever I'm doing IUI for my patients or basic ovulation induction cycles, I was doing but not thoroughly. So I am now very much well educated and I have a background knowledge, and I'll be able to do that more confidently in my own patients. Everybody here, all the consultants who took our classes, who discussed cases with us, taught us scans, they did it to the best. Special thanks to Dr. Milann, who was our course coordinator, and she answered all the doubts thoroughly. So I will definitely recommend this basic course for anyone who wants to also know about how infertility is and what it is about and whether it is their interest. So it's a very good course for that. I thank everyone.